Hello everyone and welcome to this video of the course Robotics. In this video, we are going to work on serial communication using Python. We'll be uploading a program in Arduino so that Arduino will be responding to some serial data sent to it, and then we'll be learning how do we do serial communication in Python, and we'll be trying to control Arduino from the Python serial interface. So before doing anything, first we'll be writing one program to Arduino that we have already seen in the previous video, so that we can control the Arduino LED on pin number 13 by writing A and B to it. So let's get started with the program part. We are going to use pin number 13 where we have LED. So the very first thing is for writing program, we'll be declaring the LED on pin number 13. Then coming down towards setup part, here we'll be declaring the pin mode of it because LED is an output device. So the mode of LED will be output. And after that, as we are doing serial communication, it is necessary to define the baud rate. So we'll be writing baud rate as serial dot begin 9600 bits per second. So once we are done with this, now we can come down and read the CL data. So for that, we'll be writing while CL dot available. It means when the CL data is available, at that point of time, we'll make our Arduino read the CL data. So while CL data is available, now we read the CL data into a character data. So char data equals to CL dot read, and now we'll compare data that if data is equal to A, the LED should be switched on, else if data is equal to B, the LED should be switched off. So for that we'll be using conditional loop, that is if and else loop in Arduino programming, and we'll be writing like if the data values, if the computer is sending A, we have to switch on the LED, and if computer is sending B, we have to switch off the LED. So it would be if data is equal to A. For switching on the LED, the syntax we'll be using is, we already seen that, digital write LED comma high will switch on the LED. Now, so we are done with switching on the LED when A is sent from PC. Now, else if part, else if data is equals to B. In this case, we'll switch off the LED by writing digital write LED comma low. So now we are done with the program, and now we can upload this program to Arduino. We are done with the complete program of controlling the LED on Arduino by sending it A and B from serial monitor. So Arduino will be responding to data sent to it through serial communication, and we'll be first checking the program using the serial monitor of Arduino, and once it is working properly with serial monitor of Arduino, then so now for uploading program, and then we'll open serial monitor and check it. So now we'll open the serial monitor after uploading this program. And let's open the serial monitor and check by sending it A and B whether we are able to control the LED or not. And we'll set the baud at 9600, check the baud rate is set to 9600, write A and press enter. And the LED should be switched on when you send A to it. Similarly, when you send B, you can see the LED is on. Now if you send B, the LED should be switched off. Now again, if you send A, the LED should go on. And as many times you send A and B different signals, the LED should be controlled accordingly. Again, if we send A, the LED should go on. So this is how we are able to control the LED from the serial monitor interface of Arduino. Now same part we'll be doing with Python. So let's open Python, and for this you need to have the Python serial library installed, that is PySerial installed. For that you can just open your command prompt and write pip install PySerial to get PySerial installed. So for using serial communication in Python, PySerial has to be installed, and you can check whether it is installed or not by simply writing import serial on your Python shell. And if import serial is not giving any error, that means serial communication library, that is PySerial, is installed on your Python, and you are ready to get started with doing serial communication with Python. So the steps are very simple. We simply import the library, declare the serial object with the COM port of Arduino, and we simply write data to it. So first we'll import the serial library by writing import serial. If it is not giving an error, that means it is properly installed. The next step we'll be doing is declaring a serial object in Python. So for that we can simply write something, any object, let's say s equals to kind of s equals to serial dot serial, and we can mention the COM port of Arduino where Arduino is connected, and we can mention the baud rate on which we wish to do the communication. Now we know that Arduino is accepting data or reading the serial data with the baud rate of 9600. So we will also have to use the same baud rate. So we'll be writing s equals to serial dot serial, mentioning the COM port of ours, that is COM26. You can check with Arduino. In my case, it is I'll go to tools and check my COM port. So it is COM20 in my case. So I'll be using COM20 over here. You can check on Arduino tools which COM port is Arduino connected to. So COM20, comma, the baud rate for communication I'll be using is 9600 bits per second because my Arduino is responding to the same baud rate. So I'll be using 9600 bits per second as the baud rate. Once you declare the serial object, now you're ready to write the serial data and control the LED on Arduino. So for that we can use the syntax s dot write, that is the s is serial object dot write, and mention the byte format. Don't forget to mention the format of data, that should be byte B. So B, and then in quotes you have to write the data that you wish to send, that is A. So yes, if it returns 1L, that means data is sent, and you can see the LED is on. Now for switching off LED, same way, it should be s dot write in bytes format, will be sending B. And again, if it returns 1, it means the data is sent and LED should go off in some time. Again, if you check, you can check by writing different values, and this is how you can do serial communication, and you can interact with your Arduino using your Python code. But for this, Arduino should have a ready program which can help the Arduino to respond to the signals sent by Python via serial communication. You can also make your Arduino read the serial data and send it to PC via serial communication, analyze those data into Python. That is also possible. So here we are simply sending A and B and trying to control the LED on Arduino. This is how we do serial communication in Python. And then don't forget to close the serial port by writing s.close. In case you wish to receive the serial data in Python, you can use s.readline as well. So after doing serial communication, don't forget to close the serial port. So there's a whole idea of doing serial communication in Python and in controlling your Arduino using your Python script. Thank you for watching this video.